Yo, what's going on, my print peeps? Thank you for checking back in. For those of y'all who are new, my name is Dave with Diversity Print. Doing this real quick because I'm pressing, and just wanted to show I make my own like foam pillow pads, and after a while you can see they start yellowing, they start getting brittle, they start tearing just from the heat of the pressure. And this goes inside the t-shirt when you're doing like HTV or even DTF, and you know, just pressing garments on your press. And so it's held together with heat tape. Okay, don't use regular tape because you know it may shrink and get brittle a lot quicker. This will last a lot longer. And I'm just using an extra piece of scrap paper. So let's get that out of the way, and let's get our heat tape. And then all I'm going to do is just line it up on the edge, and you can cut the rest later. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just get a couple of long pieces. I always put a tab. Actually, you don't even have to put a tab on this because you're not going to remove it. But that's what I always do. So anyway, I'm not going to create a tab on this one. I'm just going to let it sit right there. Okay, and what the? Okay, I guess they've gotten shorter on their measurements since I've gotten my last butcher paper roll. I buy them locally, and I can easily fold them in half, and I can get two 16 or 17 by 21s. They'll fit larger than the press, but it looks as if they're making them a little bit shorter now. Okay, that's okay. We have another one here, and it's the same length. So I'm trying to make this quick, and it never happens. Never happens. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this in half. It doesn't even have to be in half. Put this on top, just like that. And then I can use my strips. Go like this. And this is going to go on the bottom side anyway, so I'm not too worried about it. As far as the tape, oops, and one more. Okay, let's put one more, and there we go. Now we can get our scissors. Nice little crease. Just like that. So now you got you another pillow pad. Ready to go. Alright. And it's good for maybe, I don't know, about 15-20 uses. And then you rip it off and put another one back. This is it. And the foam, I don't know, the foam lasts quite a while. The foam probably lasts about, I don't know, 40 pressings or so, 50. It just determines on how much pressure you put on the foam and how hot you have it. Are you doing sublimation 400 degrees? Or are you doing HTV at 320? So it just depends how long the foam will last. Anyway, let's get to it and let's get to pressing. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, share it if you think it'll help somebody else, and hope you're having a good day printing. We'll talk to you next time. Until then, peace.